Peter Andersen is the Chief Investment Officer at Andersen Capital Management and joins us now. Let's start off with Caesars, obviously the casino company, online gaming. You note, though, that maybe the most attractive thing about Caesars is the fact that they've got a user database of like 55 million people. CZR, why do you like it?
Well, you hit it right on the head there. Absolutely. That database is invaluable. I mean, that is the largest database for gaming clients. So try to put a value on that. But also, you know, I've been a follower of Caesar for many, many years, pre-bankruptcy, if you can think way back to that period when it went into bankruptcy and came out. And this company is just totally focused. You know, I'm a former high yield manager. So I look at stocks through the lens of a fixed income analyst. And one of the things that's really shining about Caesars now is even though they're loaded with debt, the CEO in every conference call makes a point to say that we are going to delever. And indeed they have. In the most recent quarter, they paid down almost $1 billion in debt, and he made forward guidance to continue that. So in spite of what the Fed is doing, I think it's all been said. Maybe not all of us have said it, but in spite of what the Fed is doing, you know, you have to find companies that, wouldn't it be great if you just didn't care about the Fed guidance? And I think Caesars, among these other two stocks that I mentioned for you, are in that category that make you free of thinking about where interest rates are going.
Yeah, Shockwave Medical, another company I want to highlight. Not a name that I'm not sure. Morgan, do you ever talked about this company?
I don't.
I've not talked about it, but we forgot during COVID that there was a lot of other bad things that are out there. And Shockwave, you like this sort of unique treatment that they've got for clogged arteries that has become a bigger problem in the United States. SWAV.
Absolutely. You know, it is the #1 killer in the United States and perhaps across the world. This is an ingenious invention. You know, I have a physics background, so I love to find the origin of these things, but it is a simple catheter, minimally invasive, which actually most arteries are clogged by calcium deposits that are rock hard. This is able to pulverize that calcium in place and open clogged arteries. So we've often heard of the phrase hardened arteries. This apparatus is designed particularly to take care of that. And its revenues have been growing over 100% every quarter. Do you think people that are going to have booked for that kind of procedure, they're never going to put that off depending upon what the Fed chair said yesterday or what interest rates are going to be years from now? They need that now, and that, in my sense, is a staple.